How to change notification setting in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga, tap that candy icon and jump into the game. Let's make those notifications work for you. Tap setting icon, you will see it at top right corner of the screen. Give it a quick tap. Look for a notification. Candy Crush Saga itself does not have detailed notification option inside the game. It follows your phone settings. That means you need to manage them through your device. Go to your phone setting, find app or application, scroll until you see Candy Crush Saga, tap it. Tap notification. Here you can allow or disable all notification, adjust sound, banner and lock screen settings. Pick what suits you, list distraction or all the updates. If you want zero notification, just turn off allow notification, switch entirely. And you can always turn them back on if you change your mind. And that's it. You just customize Candy Crush Saga notification like a pro. Drop a comment if you need help, hit like if this was helpful and subscribe for more quick game tips. See you in the next one.